Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? Say goodbye to frantic searches with the Apple AirTag, your ultimate lost and found solution. What makes AirTag truly revolutionary is precision finding, powered by ultra-wideband technology, guiding you directly to your misplaced items with incredible accuracy on your iPhone. Imagine seeing the exact distance and direction to your lost item, even if it's under a couch cushion. No more guessing games. Getting started is a breeze. A simple one-tap setup effortlessly pairs your new AirTag with your iPhone, getting you tracking in seconds. And for those everyday mishaps, you'll love its IP67 water and dust resistance, meaning a splash or a drop won't stop it from doing its job. But it's more than just a tracker. It leverages Apple's vast Find My network, allowing millions of Apple devices worldwide to help locate your AirTag if it's far away. This really is the best Bluetooth tracker on the market for seamless integration and peace of mind. If you're ready to simplify your life, grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack now. Check out the link in the description below to secure yours on Amazon. Whether it's for your everyday essentials or securing valuable electronics, the AirTag is an indispensable gadget. Seriously. For anyone seeking the ultimate solution to keep track of their belongings, the Apple AirTag is an absolute must-have electronic for 2025.